Well guys, this has come back to WW2 anti-aircraft supply depot. It's got an air hangar, it's got 5 bunkers, it's got like a massive factory in that as well.
That's the idea.
I'm going to go and try and see what I can find in these bunkers. Might do a bit of paranormal.
It's got a good eerie feel. Oh, yeah, there's so much paranormal. Stop.
Well guys, we've got people following me. If you see them behind us. No, I'll keep going.
Kind of be private land, this. Slow down, dear. I want to see what they want. I'm going to put my mask on in case they've got cameras. That's strange, that, isn't it? That's not a coincidence, is it?
What?
Maybe them. It's not a coincidence, that. Stop your dear and just see what they are. I'm going to zip it. Pop the top in case the fucking try and enter. Pop the sit there here, we might be having a dance here. I would have said some before now, wouldn't it?
I think so, like. So guys, we've got someone following me here.
Oh, Dave, they're just people like us, I think. No way, it is a coincidence.
No,
Dave, I've got one of explorers.
might be. I think there might be a few fellow explorers here.
No way, man. That here, that one, this isn't a coincidence, and that actually is. They are them all. Hey, way, man, what a small whale.
Just came and left the light. No, just having a minute about. I'm John.
Bloody hell, man.
Hey, Dave.
I said to him, I seen the torch, because when we pulled up, I seen an estate car. Is that you?
I just pulled out. Come for a smoke and then left. Didn't have a light. That's why I had to go back to the shop.
Oh, man, when he's passed over the gay one, man. No, but now we've got in hand, and I seen the torch, and I thought, that's not a coincidence. I said, slow down, because we done, what was it? Morpeth mental asylum. We got caught on there and we thought he was a cop. I had down on the floor with a dog ready to savage one. Oh, he's got the video on YouTube. He's got a channel exploring with Dave. It's brilliant. Like sometimes we do like paranormal stuff and that. We went to an old people's home in Gossop, done a paranormal thing with a ghost box and that was mint. But I said to Dave, I said, Dave, we haven't been here before. Like I said to him, I went, slow down, Dave. I went, this is probably police, and I went, it's not a coincidence, and it actually is. Jesus Christ.
There's like 5 bunkers over the back end, like.
Is it? Can you get in them as well?
You can get into like 3 or 4 of them, like.
Fucking hell. Nice.
Wow, I can't believe that. Like I've never.
We just came up and had a little look around in there. It looks like an old like garage.
Yeah.
Like big shut would be
Yeah.
Right.
shut.
I thought you were like security or some sort.
No.
Right in it.
I think the same thing.
But he went, no, keep going. I went, no, let me wait for them because I didn't want them creeping up on me. And I thought, oh, what are you doing? Never mind.
Didn't want to creep up on you.
Well, I say slow down. Fucking hell, man.
There's some canny mad graffiti in there, like.
Is it?
It's mint, like.
It's like it stretches right over the back. I like bunkers and everything on the far side.
In the back of this, behind them trees, there's 5 bunkers or something.
Right.
We were going in, Dave, or we're working over there, working our way back through, or?
I will start our here, right?
So,
Wait,
see you in a
see
bit.
you in a bit, what's what you're doing?
Jesus Christ, that's mental, isn't it?
Well guys, look at first, it's just a couple of explorers.
Do you have that recording all the time?
Yeah.
Mint. Jesus, the first thing I see, it's not a coincidence, and it actually is.
Look at first.
And I could tell when I shined the torch on them, I thought, aye, they're just genuine lads.
You never know, though, do you?
Nah, you didn't.
I mean, you have to pinch that light back, like, because this one's not very bright on the camera.
Was it It wasn't recording
got
when I said
the
your
box
pockets
one
up because
now.
we might have a dance here, was it? Was it recording when I said zip your pockets up, I might be dancing here?
Like so, aye.
Sorry dear, I just claimed you a fucking light there, didn't I? Oh, it's in a hanger in it. I'm going to invest in one of them torches, like, it's brilliant that. That's where there would have been...
What was that?
What?
Yeah, that hole.
Air horn, aye. It's on close, that, doesn't it?
Wow, it sounded mad. It sounded like pretty gunfire.
No, it was me with the fan. What the fuck? Whoa!
Is it that one?
Oh, it's a bit of metal with a wind, man. Oh, it's a bit of metal.
Fucking hell.
Whoa! Sounds like someone's moving a door. Whoa! There's some train. Is that train lines?
Let me see. Sounds like it's coming from out there now.
Is that torch 1 second, Dave?
There, look.
Wait. Is it that? Dave, can you try and shine your torch up there, please? Oh, no, it is. It's doing there.
This takes you around to the bunk as this.
Is it where we're going? Yeah, no, it is. Wait there, Dave. I'm going to go and get a picture because that's like, I had a proper look.
I won't come back in there. We'll come back through that way. Do a spirit box and that in there.
Yeah. Is there any history to this place then, Dave, or?
I haven't really done that much research on it, if I'm honest. But I think like looks like there's just been a building here.
Some funny stories. How long is it? Also, it's like a World War II bunker, man. It's bound to have history. Oh, Jesus. Oh, dearie Lord. Now, it is a bit fucking mint with a metal detector, wouldn't you?
I mean, you'd probably get like, there's been like a weapons supply depot. Wouldn't surprise us. If you want to find loads of bullets and stuff. Yes, I think we took the wrong way here. There's the first bunker.
Well, it's funny, big this place, like, isn't it?
Massive, mate. Nice.
It's amazing. Wow, that's gone right far back, doesn't it?
Probably hang out and easy there. Well, you went to that. Imagine someone came and shut the door and padlocked it in. Oh.
Fucking hell.
It's huge.
It's fucking missing out here, look at that. Look at that, man. Fucking tin.
Dude,
Fucking these sleepers, man. Look what that is.
there's your doors.
Wow.
Look at that.
And that's what I mean. It's a fuck.
Look at the copper.
That's not copper, man.
Nah, it's either been
I'll
melted.
see that one. I'll see that one. The first thing gone. Yeah, it is. Very missed it. Books and all that.
The what?
Books and that.
Books.
There's stuff in here.
What is it?
Packages.
Open it up. Could be fucking bags of drugs.
And that's exactly what I'm thinking.
Bags of drugs found. There's only bags of concrete, is it? Huh?
What?
There's only a bag of concrete, is it?
What's this all?
There's boards with fabric on.
Hey, they're are they glass?
Mirrors. What is that?
Man, a lot of big mirrors. No way, man.
Yeah, that thingy who does the things.
Oh, Dave, I'm amazed at this. What the fuck?
Bomb.
Is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's an old fuck. What the fuck? Wow.
Look at them the light fittings. How many is?
Holy shit.
Racking and that. Whoa, Dean. Look at that. There's that thing you've got in your hand.
Yeah?
There's millions there. Look at them all.
What the fuck are they?
They look like bombs.
Yeah, video.
Oh, like glass swans.
What the fuck?
Oh, wait there. What's on the side of that crate? Turn it round.
This?
Yeah, look at that crate.
65 kilogram. Wow, this is amazing, honestly.
Glass swans.
Whoa, now look at that.
Jeez, that's pretty noisy in here, like. But let's keep it doing a bit.
What?
Let's keep it doing. That's crazy.
Oh, stop.
Aye.
Oh, the big gold balls there, isn't it? Wow.
Some more bathtubs. What?
See something.
Only a few quid worth of tiles there.
Fuck me. Richard,
Yeah. Just those peeled cans in the end one. Is that E?
yeah. Wow, this is absolutely unbelievable. Here, stop. Let's get the microphone right now. Yeah.
Right guys, we're going to try the necrophonic out.
Oh, it's just shut down on us.
Just tell us again.
Any voices want to come through? Any messages? Is it on?
Whoa, it's a feed straight away.
No way.
Was anyone here from World War II? Can you tell me your name? Alex. Did you fight in the war?
Did anybody here fight in the war or take part in it?
Did you supply all the ammunition for the planes?
Has anybody on the other side got a name for what they can give with, please? Has anybody there got a name? You what?
Dead. Do you have a message for her? Is there any spirits in these bunkers?
If anyone's there, can you repeat my name? Say Dean or Dave.
No. Please say one of our names.
Do you want to tell anything before we move on to somewhere else?
Did anyone die in this bunker?
What do you do there?
Is anyone here? Do you want to talk to her through the necrophonic?
Can you say our names or not before we turn it off? Say Dean or Dave. That was just...
Dave.
Shut up, man. Can you say that again, please? Thank you for that. Say Dave again, please. Lewis. Right, we're going to turn this off and move on. Stephen. Or Demon. Is that Stephen or Demon?
It's a big demon.
Right. Bye now.
Wait, still playing.
Well, that microphone, like, isn't it?
Sorry, isn't it?
I like it. Wow, I'm amazed at what's inside them, like. It's gonna be a prolific tipping ground though, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a huge place, like. We've only been to one of the bunkers in the hangar. you got to be quiet though. There was a bombers in the one around there.
Have you already been here, like, Dave?
Through the day.
Right.
Another one just here. Yeah. On your left.
Yeah, I know.
Drums.
Fucking hell. Marble, isn't it? Or slate?
Concrete board. So, cement board.
What's in there, bro?
Steve, look at the bricks.
What?
Look at the bricks.
Wow. Good quality, them, man.
So these ones.
What the fuck? Oh, they might try to fit one further here then. What's that? That could be asbestos or
Well, it was cement, but it looks fun. This place is crazy, guys. So much left inside these bunkers. It's unreal. There's bricks. There's just everything left behind. It's crazy. You can actually see over the other side there, like so. We're going to keep going. Have a look around.
Want to be a necrophonic or not?
No, we'll go to that other one.
Sure.
So that's like a shrine thing.
Is it through here, like? Wow, it's going to be up here now. I'll see if I can
Look at that at the bottom. What is it? What's that stack of stuff? Sand.
Yeah, Sam. Dude, trying to get through to someone down over that hill by yourself.
I'm not going there.
How?
No,
How is it both of
got
them?
holes in my shoes, not like the sand all over.
There's two, how?
It's just full of sand.
No, but you know what's on the other side.
Fuck that.
What
Go
that?
on, you get yourself up there. I'll be just with you.
Yeah, I thought you would have come with us and fucking let it walk down.
Yeah, because now my look, mate. Oh, just climb the fuck and I'll stink. There's the other one there, third one. There's the fourth one, and there's one further around.
Oh, them bricks are good quality bricks, I don't know, aren't they? They're like marble bricks.
There's another one there.
What?
What? Who the fuck puts that in the middle of a fire, man? You know what I mean?
That's all I can fuck with.
We're going all the way in the end, I think, to get in. But you've gone this way, like.
Two are gone.
White runs.
What the fuck was that?
Is that him? One of them.
Fucking amazing what's left, isn't it? Can't wait really is down there and see the fucking quality of the bricks that's left, like marble bricks.
Really? Watch out in this next one, there's a big pile of human shit.
Oh no, fucking bastard.
Most of it's off, like, but the smell's fucking awful, like.
Pure toffee.
Is any good then?
Really good. These like it's got the big long tunnel. I'll let you stop.
These will be amazing what's on there.
There's doors in there on some of these as well. The main kind of.
Oh yeah, it's been nice meeting you anyway. See you lads.
See you in a bit, mate. I think he's on about the what you call it, one of the graffiti doing there, the Grinch.
Yeah.
With a Santa hat on and a big sleigh. There's two.
Yeah, I'm watching for this human Duke now.
Kind of though these would have been filled, you know, with like fucking ammunition and that. One of these has got like a shrine in it. Keep an eye on the wall. I think it might be 2 or 3 down this one. Oh, it's not this one, it's the next bunker. No, it's not these ones, it must be a different bunker. Creepy coming here on me out now through the day, it was pitch black, but there was another bloke here, if I remember rightly, he had a walking about with his dog. His dog kept coming into the bunker and that when I was in it. Barking at us, isn't it?
Oh, but you're like, fuck off.
Some of the graffiti's kind of mad, like.
What's that sound?
Oh, pure cobweb in my face.
Imagine if we hadn't come into them lads and we just said, oh.
I heard that there, did you not?
Yeah.
Headphones.
Mm-hmm.
Headphones. Is that the shrine? Yes. Rest in peace on the wall.
Shut up, man.
Nikki G. Nikki, lovely believe Nikki.
What's his code?
So take it. 7362. Well guys, by the looks of this place, I think there was someone called Nikki who died here. Whoa.
What the fuck? No denying that.
That's a Dave straight away. Right, we wanted to speak to the girl who died here called Nikki. Are you here tonight?
Dean Ellis?
It said Dave and then Dean Ellis.
What the fuck?
Talk.
Hello, is this Nikki who's trying to communicate with me? Hello, have you got a name for us so we can communicate with you, please?
Nikki, did you die here in this bunker? No.
Sounds like your voice that said no. We're coming here with good intentions, just to try and speak to the other side. Is there anybody there who's got a name for it? A name will do.
Sound like a little laugh or something.
Yeah, I did.
Nikki, if you're here, do you want to leave a message for anyone?
Oh, fucking hell. Those are youngins.
Is it?
Ah, Dave, I'm gonna have to thought of a getting up. Some green weather, do you want it?
Fucking shit myself there. Alright, man.
Is this your hangout like lads? This is where his house come like?
Most time.
Live on now. I like it. Have fun, boys. See you
Yeah, a
later.
bit, man.
Could you imagine if we had walked in and just seen someone popping the corner of the torch? You would have shit, wouldn't you?
Oh, shit myself there, man.
Have a look here.
No better though. Oh,
Do you want me to carry that? No better what?
you couldn't like sit and chill on somewhere like this.
Oh no, imagine it. I would have loved to have somewhere like this where we used to live growing up.
Yeah,
Well
when,
up the way.
when you're younger and it's pissing to you and that.
Look at that little cottage thing there. Yeah, Dave, I'm absolutely
There's
amazed.
another bunker there if you want to have a look
Aye,
at it.
how it? Then we'll get on that after. Aye, Dave, I'm absolutely amazed at what's been left over here.
No,
It's
you
a
wouldn't,
brilliant video.
you wouldn't think much, would you?
No, you wouldn't. You would just think this.
Sorry about the wind, guys. It's kind of windy, yeah.
Why didn't you bring your gimbal? I think that gimbal makes your mic sound better, you know.
It's because I haven't got my hand where I carry the phone like that's where the speaker
Really?
microphone is, don't I?
Whoa! Fuck off!
There's more here.
Shit! Holy shit!
Those wire balls run through all the way through here.
Yeah.
Crazy, that, isn't it? This place. Someone's had fires here, right? Amazing, though, isn't it? How many?
I'm gonna see it. We can't see how much it is for them. Do you know if you got the rent back? Do you know if you got the rent back here? They'll give us £1 a piece for them, you know.
Oh, definitely. That was it.
Wow, dear.
You don't have a few grand, bud.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the rent back up here. Yeah, how much will you give us for each? One of these. Oh, good spot here.
I thought it was a bit of cable and it was going to move. Ah.
Not a pipe. On your head and you go now.
Fucking hell.
You're a fucking banger.
Could rip your fucking neck off. It's just it's going to be an empty one, doesn't it?
You know what it is? I should have won one. That's what get it out.
Fucking come up with a fucking knife or something. I mean, never know that you want to do it.
Didn't. This seems sound like.
That was it, that's the bunkers, what the bunkers doing. There was 5 of them in There was 5 of them in total.
Yeah, 5 there, yeah.
She whipped me fucking ear off. But Jesus. There's a big factory thing here, it's got loads of mad graffiti and like. It's like
Whoa, look at that. Holy shit.
so you didn't watch my video then?
That, man. Wow, that is amazing, that.
That looks like a new one. There's some good ones over this way now. This is good. It's mad how they do them, I know. Love them one.
Imagine you can even chop them down and reuse them and get them.
I mean, look at these, the ceiling and the roof, man.
Oh, look at what that is. It looks like there's a little bunker.
There's a couple of little buildings over that way, like.
That's amazing, that. Love them. Love them.
Right, isn't it? Look at that one. Big eye. That one's even newer, look, Dean, 2045. I'm not gonna lie, like, that looks a bit like me in the morning. Oh. gangrene and all. Look at it. It's been used for paintball inside as well. It would have been off them little paintball grenades.
Would have been a perfect paintball site, this.
Hiding in the bunkers and that. So have a look at these couple.
How these are just shells because of fucking at larseness, man. Yeah, David, there's plenty more.
It had like a machine in it, but I think it had been tipped over last time I looked. Looks like this place has been hit with a bomb, doesn't it? A couple of buildings. There's a couple up here. We'll come back down to that one.
Yeah.
And go into that one in the hangar again.
Yeah, cool. Amazing, man. Amazed as this, like, best one I've done here since
I mean,
asylum.
The bloke that I spoke to said that it was like a prisoner of war camp and stuff as well at some
Really?
point. Aye.
Oh, be careful in these though, because the fucking things like that. Follow you.
It comes in on you this time of night. Creepy like, you know.
Where is it?
The fucking pictures I had in the
Sorry?
fucking council houses. Oh no. The torch is on 0.
You know, charged in a while.
So it was fully charged. That's a Grinch.
How does it taste? Scum. Yeah.
You can see they've been with their tins of paint and a fucking roller painted over people's stuff and then redoing them.
Yeah. Amazing the word, like, it's dead, isn't it?
Oh, who's that? Yeah, them two left.
Where is it? Yeah, it is. Oh, no, what, let me see if we have that.
So the guys been kind of big explore this, like. I hope everyone's keeping well, washing their hands, keeping away from this coronavirus. You know, no one wants to get that. Don't know what's inside this.
Sorry?
Don't know what's inside this one.
Oh, I should have pinched the pocket off them kids. Should we go back? Should we go back and sponge a bomb? What are you doing? Yeah.
That might be me, like.
We'll go back then when I have one on. sharing a fucking anything.
That's it, aye. You don't want me getting fucking coronavirus.
Sick of fucking hearing about it at once. What the fuck? There was no noise at all going into there. Fuck.
The hell was that?
Oh, big hanger. Hello, is anybody there? Anyone want to speak to her? What was that, sorry? Brad, is that right? Dean? Have you got a message for her?
Is there any spirits here in this hangar?
Shut up, put this microphone on, our noises are going mad. Is that any of you making them noises?
It's just gone totally crazy.
No. Is that you making the noises? Fucking man in here. Right, we've got the lights off. Does anybody want to see anything? Does anybody want to come through? Come on, tell me anything. Say one of our names. Come on, I bet you couldn't. Come on, we've put things to your surroundings, pitch black. Someone must be there. If no one's going to talk, we're going to turn it off. Anybody there want to tell me anything? Someone tell me to wait. Was that Dean? This one. Does anybody else want to see anything before we turn it off? No?
Me? Did you see me? No?
It's like a scream in it there. Okay then, well, we're going to turn this off and we'll be trying you again later. Take it back.
just totally started moving. The wind's totally picked up.
Oh idea, we'll go and get somebody to go try somewhere else.
Well guys, that was the abandoned supply depot. We bumped into a few people there. Two lads exploring, and there was a few lads sitting getting wrecked, smoking weed in one of the bunkers. But like, I don't know if they were already sitting in there or they came in afterward. I'm not sure.
Yeah, you'd get some people running away from people with torches, wouldn't you, thinking that they're out, Bill?
Yeah. We're going to head back to the car. We're going to go and see if we can find another explore. But I'll see you guys on the next way back to the cars. Can't pull it there. Looks like it's right at our car.
Yeah, it does. I was just thinking that.
Actually looks like my car with its lights on.
That's them lads, man. Just them lads that we've seen before. Probably just waiting for it, have a little bit of a fire craft, probably. No way I'm seeing by there.
He flashes hazards.
Yeah. That fucking stinks, that like.
Yeah, whole shit in there. Cows in there, you hear them?
Oh, one right there. Oh.
Fucking farm, dude.
I literally shot in the torch rooms a big fucking false head there. Hello. Hello, Norman.
Lights on there.